Hey, so Venus is actually a rocky planet, not a gas planet. Laugh out loud. The planets after Mars are all made of gas. So yeah, in my video about planetary rotations, I said that Venus was a giant ball of gas and I called it a fart. And many of you jumped in the comments to let me know that Venus is not gas. It's a rock. So Venus is not a giant fart, it's a giant kidney stone, just painfully easing its way through our solar system. And you know what? Because I made that mistake, I decided to give y'all a few fun facts about Venus. Let's talk about these extreme conditions. Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being farther from the sun, with a scorching surface temperature of about 462 degrees Celsius or 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to its thick atmosphere that traps heat. The whole planet is a crematorium or a crematory. Whatever the place is that you cremate people, that's what Venus is. Crushing pressure. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is about 90 times greater than Earth's, equivalent to being a kilometer or zero point 0.6 miles underwater. So the whole planet is a pressure cooker. They're just making a giant pot roast. Acid rain. The dense clouds of Venus are made of sulfuric acid, causing it to rain acid, although the droplets evaporate before reaching the hot surface. So you have extreme heat, high pressure, acid rain, probably just noxious gas everywhere. This is not the planet to be. Oh, volcanic activity. They had the nerve to throw some volcanoes on top of all this mess. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet and is characterized by mountains, plains, and active lava flows. Venus, you could have been whatever you wanted to be, and you decided to be hell. You know, we talk a lot about how Uranus spins on its side. Nobody talks about how Venus spins backwards. Venus rotates clockwise on its axis, which is the opposite direction of most planets in the solar system, leading to a unique phenomenon where the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. I don't like backward shit like that. A day is longer than a year. A day on Venus takes longer to complete than its year. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the sun. So Venus is basically like the Tsukuyomi. If you watch Naruto and you know the Mangekyo Sharingan, the Tsukuyomi is just like a horrible, horrible genjutsu. And it's the same color as Venus. Maybe Itachi was onto something. And if you needed any more proof that Venus was a demonic planet, they call it Earth's evil twin. Venus is Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition.